If you want to know how to fix Roblox, please confirm your identity error, then this is the perfect video for you. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here, and if you're using iPhone, then just go to the iStore or App Store, okay? And on the search bar, you have to type Roblox, and after that, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Roblox, okay? So in the option of play, if you're getting an option to update, so update it right now. So after updating the app, you have to do one thing. You have to click and hold, and you have to go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, and here just click on the storage usage. Just make sure that you are in app info management, okay? And after that, you have to clear all the cache. After clearing all the cache, this will fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then just clear the data, okay? And after clearing the data, this will delete and unload all the unused data or all the waste data that is slowing the Roblox app. Because of that, you're getting error, right? So this may fix your problem. Just click on OK, and after that, you have to do one more thing. You have to just go to the permissions, and you have to allow all the permissions, right? You can see here that these are not allowed. So for example, if I just go to the camera, I will just allow, okay? And you can see that camera has gone up, okay? So you have to do same thing with all the permissions. So after doing this might fix a problem, and if it does, then you have to do one thing. You have to comment down below. Make sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.